Hello students, in the previous session we discussed about set of losses. In this session let us discuss about carry forward of losses. If the SSC could not set off the losses in the same assessment year of their occurrence, the unabsorbed loss can be carried forward for the set off purpose against his income in subsequent years. He should determine the loss in pursuance of a return filed by him. That means, if there is any unabsorbed loss in one year, they can carry forward it to another year or for subsequent years for the purpose of setting off from the income he earned in the next year. So, there are following cases, or there are some losses which can be carry forwarded to next year. Other than these losses, they cannot carry forward any other loss to the next year or to the subsequent years. What are the losses here? See, first one, loss under the head income from house property. Second one, loss from non-speculative business or profession. Third one, loss from speculation. Fourth one, short term or long term capital loss. And last one, loss from the activity of maintaining race horses. In these cases, they can carry forward these losses for certain subsequent years. Other than these losses, they cannot carry forward that kind of loss to the next year for set off purpose. See the first one, loss from house property mentioned under section 71B. Any loss from house property can be carried forwarded to subsequent 8 assessment years for set off of loss against income from house property. If any loss from house property cannot be set off against any other income in the same year, that unabsorbed amount can be carry forwarded to next 8 subsequent assessment years, and they can set off against income from house property only in subsequent years. Next one, loss from non-speculative business, section 72 subsection 1. Loss from non-speculative business means other than speculation activities. If there is any business loss which could not be set off against any other income in the same assessment year, can be carry forwarded by fulfilling the following conditions. The conditions are: the carry forward business loss can be set off against the income from same business or any other business in subsequent years. Next one, if the loss cannot be wholly set off, the amount of loss not so set off shall be carry forwarded to the following assessment year or so on. Next one, loss can be carry forward for 8 assessment year. It is important here, 8 assessment years they can carry forward the loss. What are the conditions? First one, carry forward business loss can be set off against a same business or any other business including speculative business, and this loss, unabsorbed loss can be carry forwarded to the next assessment year or so on. That is for 8 subsequent assessment years they can carry forward business loss. In case of house property also, it is 8 years, 8 assessment years. You have to remember these years here. And third one, carried forward speculation loss, section 73 subsection 2 clause 4. Here this section says about carrying forward of speculation loss. Unabsorbed speculation loss can be set off only against speculation profit, they can carry forward this speculation loss only for 4 assessment years. Only 4 assessment years are there to set off this type of loss. Next one is loss on capital assets. Section 74, subsection 1 and subsection 2. Here, loss on capital assets, that may be short term capital loss or long term capital loss, they can carry forward that loss up to 8 assessment years. Here, short term capital loss can be set off against short term capital gain or long term capital gain in 8 subsequent years, but carry forwarded long term capital loss can be set off only against long term capital gain. They cannot set off against short term capital gain in 8 subsequent assessment years. So, this is about loss on capital assets. There are 8 assessment years are there to be set off loss. Next one is 5th one, loss on race horse. If the SSC own race horses, any expense incurred for their maintenance can be set off only against income from owning and maintaining the race horse. The loss can be carried forward to subsequent 4 assessment years. See, for subsequent 4 assessment years, they can carry forward the loss. Here see, other than loss from speculation and loss on race horses, there are 8 assessment years to set off loss, but for these two purposes, only 4 subsequent years are there to set off. In order to avail the right to carry forward and set off any loss under any of the above provisions, the SSC must file a return of income under section 139 subsection 3, that is subsection 3, 139 subsection 3, and get the loss determined by the assessing officer under section 80. That means if there is any carry forwarded losses, they have to mention it in income tax return. Here assessing officer will confirm that carry forwarded loss. Only then he can show it in the next year as a set off of losses. So, this is the table showing set off and carry forward of losses. Here all items are there which I already explained to you. Once go through this table, one correction is there, that is speculation business. Here for speculation business the year is 4 and not 8. Other than that all things are same. Please go through it once, you can understand better. Thank you. Let us meet in the next session with the problems relating to clubbing, setting off and carry forward of losses which you may expect in final exam for 8 marks. Thank you students. Let us meet in the next session.